Hey guys, it's your girl Patience. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you other DIY video using only one ingredient. Use this ingredient once a week. I promise you your hair will not stop growing. So before we get into this video, if you're my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for watching. And if you're new here, please do consider clicking the subscribe button. And also, please don't forget to put on the post notifications so that anytime I upload new video, you will be the first to watch. So keep on watching to the end of this video so you don't miss out any useful information. So let's just jump right into this video. So the only ingredients you're going to be needing today is oatmeal. So I'm going to be adding oatmeal to the pot. Add as much as you need depending on your length of your hair. My daughter has a very long hair, so I'm going to be adding a lot of oatmeal into the pan. Next, I'm going to be adding water. Then I'm going to start cooking it. I'm going to be cooking it for a little while until it's soft and cook. Make sure you're present while cooking it because you don't want it to burn. Oatmeals are extremely beneficial for our hair. It prevents hair fallout, split end, dandruffs, dry scalp, repair damaged hair. It also adds shine to our hair. I'm going to be consistently turning it so it doesn't burn. Once the oatmeal is mushy and cooked, then it's ready. Once it's ready, allow it to cool down. Now I'm going to transfer it to my blender. Can you guys see it's very thick? But don't worry about that. We can add water as we go along. I'm going to be adding water just to get the consistency that I'm looking for. This is the right consistency that I'm looking for. So I'm going to go ahead and strain it. It's very important not to miss this step because you will have oatmeal bits all over your hair and you will spend 3 hours in the bathroom trying to get rid of it, because it happened to me the last time. I spent 3 hours trying to get oatmeal out of my hair, so you don't want to miss this process. So I'm going to be using a wig cap to strain mine. Go ahead and use any strainer of your choice. This is a great deep conditioner. I love how it makes my daughter hair feels like. Her hair was very soft and it brings out hair curls. It looks so creamy. I'm going to be adding 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice. You can also add honey to your oatmeal treatment, but I run out of honey, so I won't be using it. So I'm going to start applying the oatmeal conditioner to our hair. So you can apply this treatment to wash hair or unwashed hair. This is definitely one of my best deep treatment ever. I love how manageable my daughter's hair was and how soft it is. Usually she will be crying during this process. You can use this treatment as a deep conditioner or as a moisturizing treatment. As you can see, I'm applying it on a dry hair only because the oatmeal treatment is extremely moisturizing and is amazing to detangle your little one or your hair. I'm going to apply the treatment to all our hair, then I'm going to leave it for 1 hour, then I'm going to wash it off. If you've made it to this point and you haven't yet already subscribed, please do so, and don't forget to put on your notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first to watch. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys again for watching. Bye guys. Bye.